Welcome to Guess the Sound. Get ready to test your ears and have some fun. Listen carefully to each sound and choose the correct answer. Good luck, families, students, and kids. Close your eyes and guess this sound. What is it? A snake, B, soda can opening, C, a fire crackling, D, rain. Let's see how sharp your ears are. It's B, soda can opening. Did you know that the sound of a soda can opening is often artificially enhanced in commercials to make it sound more appealing? Listen closely. Which animal is making this growling sound? A cat, B, lion, C, dog, D, bear. Can you guess the growl? The answer is D, bear. Bears growl to communicate warnings, show aggression, or protect their territory and cubs. What is making this sound? A, typing on a keyboard, B, playing piano, C, scratching, D, wind chimes. What do you think it is? It's A, typing on a keyboard. The QWERTY keyboard layout was designed to prevent typewriters from jamming by slowing down typing speed. Thanks for playing Guess the Sound. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun trivia and games.